This is one of Indonesia's rainforests, Sumatra tropical rainforest. Sumatra tropical rainforest is recognized by UNESCO as one of the World Heritage. The total area of Sumatra's tropical rainforest is 2.5 million hectares. Besides being a place for various plants and animals, the Sumatra rainforest is also home to several indigenous Indonesian tribes, such as the Mentawai tribe and the Andalan tribe. In the diversity of flora and fauna here, 10% are plants, 12% are mammals, 16% are reptiles and amphibians, 17% are birds. Many of these species are endemic, which can only be found in Indonesia. So let's start to love our nature and take care of our nature. Thank you.